Hello everyone, welcome to Hemnis Boolean Education. Today in this video we are going to learn and prove the exterior angle theorem of a triangle. So let's start with the theorem. The theorem states that the measure of any exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles of that triangle. So let us prove this theorem. To prove this theorem, let's draw a triangle. So here ABC is a triangle, and if we extend this side BC to the point D, then it forms an exterior angle. So let's write first. Let ABC is a triangle where so let's name the angles of the triangles. Let the names the angles of the triangles. Triangle A, angle A as 1, angle B as 2, and angle C as 3, and angle ABD as 4. So I am considering this 1, 2, 3 and 4 in order to understand better the geometrical concept. We can write the angle directly, angle ABC, angle ACB, or angle BAC, angle ABC, like that. But to understand better, I am assuming these angles as 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So now let's write. So here we have written ABC is a triangle where angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3 are interior angles, and angle 4 is one exterior angle at point B. So this is 4 is an exterior angle at point D. Now we are to prove that what we require to prove that this exterior angle, angle 4, that means angle 4, this is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. So this is exterior angle of the triangle ABC, and the opposite interior angles of this exterior angle are 1 and 3. So according to exterior angle theorem, this 4 is equal to 1 plus angle 3. So This is the condition we need to prove. Now let's proceed. In triangle ABC, what we will find? Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. This all the three interior angles equal to 180 degree. So let's consider it as equation 1. Okay. Now why it is so? So this is how we get. This is by interior angle sum property. If you know about the angle sum property of interior angles of a triangle, then please visit the video that is given in the I button of this screen to know the angle sum property of the interior angles of a triangle. Now again at point B, what we have got? Angle 4 plus angle 2. Angle 4 plus angle 2. This is equal to what? 180 degree. So let's consider it as equation 2. So why it is so? Because this is angle DBC is a straight angle. This means DBC is a straight angle. The sum of the two angles will be equal to 180 degree. So angle 2 plus angle 4 is 180 degree. Therefore 1 and equation 2, this equation 1 and 2 implies. So from equation 1, 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degree, and from equation 2, angle 4 plus angle 2 equal to 180 degree. That means both are same. So what we will find? So from equation 1 and 2, this left hand side will also be equal, because right hand side is equal, so we can consider that left hand side equal. So let's write angle 4 plus angle 2, this is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. Now removing angle 2 from the both left and right hand side, we will get angle 4, this is equal to angle 1 plus angle 3. Okay, so angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 3. That means angle 4 is the exterior angle, is equal to angle 1 and angle 3. That means sum of opposite interior angles. Hence this is our required expression which we want to prove it. So we can write now, hence proof. So this is how we can prove the exterior angle theorem. So next video we will discuss about various practical examples of angle sum property of a triangle. So that's all for today. So if you like this video, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and share the videos to your friends so that they will be benefited from the videos. Thanks for watching this video.